Good morning, children. Today we are going to do English revision. Portion for first unit test is from English Bharati textbook, lesson number 1 and 2. Grammar, lesson number 1 and 2. Read the lessons thoroughly. Number 1 is What a Bird Thought. This is a poem. We have done question answers for this. For example, write the rhyming words for, then meanings are done. Go through all that. Describe the following in 1 or 2 lines. So whatever the meanings are given and questions are given in the classwork, all that you have to learn. Next lesson is Daydreams. This lesson also, read the whole lesson. Under this lesson we have done meanings, learn the meanings, few questions we have done, answer the following questions. What did the husband want to buy? What did the husband want to do with the extra milk? Did Gopal Bhan have a field? I hope you all have written the answers in your classwork. So learn the answers from your classwork. Then from language study also we have done articles. Choose the correct article and fill in the blanks. The last two we will solve now. Lovely field, article A will come over there, a lovely field. Next one is dash eyebrow, an eyebrow. So when you have to write an, whenever there is a vowel sound in the beginning of the word A, E, I, O, U, you have to write an over there, and for other letters you have to write a in the blank. The next one is write the plural forms of the following. You should know the plural form of the words. Now from here also any two we will solve now. Drop will become drops. Stick will become sticks. Personal response question, lengthy answers will not be asked. The answers will be very short, so you need to answer in short. In grammar we have done lesson the sentence and the phrase. So you should know what is a sentence. Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. And what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words that makes some sense but not complete sense. Few examples are given down. With all her heart is a phrase. The friend went away, a sentence. Across the road, phrase. The sparrow sipped some water, sentence. Remember, the sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, whereas phrase doesn't have capital letter or full stop. Let us move ahead. Sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Subjects consist of name of person, place, thing, idea that we are speaking about. And what is predicate? It tells us something about the subject. And always remember that the predicate contains the verb in it. We had done exercises. Let us go through once again. Underline the subject in the following sentences. Good listeners look at the speaker. Good listener is the subject. I do all the hard work. Answer is I. The violets began to bloom among their little leaves. Answer is the violets. So the subject is about whom we are speaking. Next question is underline the predicate. Paper money was first used in China. Answer is was first used in China. He discussed the plan with her. Answer is discussed the plan with her. Philippides ran to Sparta like the wind. Answer is ran to Sparta like the wind. So predicate consists action, that means verb. Let us move ahead. These are some revision questions. In your exam also Questions will be given like this. It's going to be a multiple choice question. 4 options will be provided to you. You have to select the correct one from it. Let us start from the first question. Choose the correct rhyming word for well. So what is the answer for this? Shell. Number 2. Describe the following line. The world around the bird's nest is what? A tree with leaves, water in the pond, dry leaves or flowers? Answer is a tree with leaves. Choose the correct meaning for idle. For this, the answer is useless. Next question. What did the husband want to buy? The husband wanted to buy cows. A dash is a group of words that make some sense but not complete sense. What is the answer for this? Yes, phrase. Pick out the subject from the following. Read the options carefully. Answer is barking dogs. Okay children, I hope you have understood the pattern of the paper and you have followed what is the portion. Prepare for the test thoroughly. Don't get confused. Be focused and solve the paper calmly. Do well in studies, do well in exams. All the best children. Thank you.